Thaa igĩrĩ na ndagĩka 15 wabici-inĩ cia DCI. Mũthabara wa ũrĩa wari minista wa ugitiri wa thiini ndagitari Fred Matiangi, mawakiri 12 makuruhanĩtie Danstan Omari, seneta wa Nyamira Okongo Mogeni na atongoria athure kaunti-inĩ ya Kisiu magarire Matiangi nginya gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa DCI. Ĩndĩ yahũngirwo mahũri mathaa-inĩ ma thaa 3:30.
The DCI officers came to see us, 6 of them at around 9:30. They interrogated the CS for exactly around 10 minutes. The questions they were asking were related to his properties, and we completely advised the CS not to respond to anything outside what the summons were.
Essentially, the DCI detained Dr. Matiangi and us as the lawyers for those many hours because we do not have the leave to leave. It is only much later that then now they came with the cautionary statements charging our client, saying they intend to charge him under Section 23 of the Computer Cyber Crimes Act and Section 317 of the Penal Code.
There are no serious charges but allegations. We are convinced as the legal team that what is going on here is a vendetta. What we are talking about is vindictiveness. What we are talking about is vengeance by William Ruto and his Kenya Kwanza team.
Kuringana thitango iria iharirĩirio Matiang'i nĩ gũbanga kuna watho na kuheana maheni ndeto-inĩ ciĩgiĩ mũngũrũrio ũrĩa wĩrĩkanĩte watabanirio gwake mũciĩ Karen. Mũngũrũrio ũrĩa DCI maugĩte warĩ mũbango wa Matiang'i no ti borithi.
They tried to get that logo, that famous DCI logo of petty thieves to put on the CS. We objected vehemently and almost exchanged blows. It is not provided for under any law. It has been declared illegal and unconstitutional by Justice Kimaru.
When you think you are mistreating Dr. Matiangi as a person, you are actually not mistreating him. You are lowering the standing of the office he held. And you are lowering the standing of our country, even in the eyes of foreigners.
Kuona Matiang'i ndanacokia ciũria cigemaine na ũtonga wake, gĩikaro gĩkĩ nĩ kĩgagaire mbũtũ ĩrĩa ĩkũmũhũngaga mahũri ĩkiuga yetereire mwerekera.
So the question was, are you taking Waziri to court? They said they are not taking Waziri to court today. So what then remains is that it is a date when they will present the charge sheet before the court, and we shall present Waziri before that court.
Thaa 8 thutha ũcio, mũtongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga ũrĩa wĩkinyire gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ ameneire thirikari ya President Ruto ĩrĩa augĩte no kwĩrĩhĩria ĩrarongoreria.
We thought we were already past these kind of things. These are the old methods that were used by the ancient regime, which we thought we were discarded, but they're coming back. It means that Kenyans must be prepared for worse things to happen. But I just want to say, Kenyans will not accept this kind of rule.
Matiang'i arekereirio thutha wa mathaa manana kũrĩa oho erĩtwo no etwo acokie ciũria cigemaine na thitango mbere ya mũthenya wa gũkinywo igoti-inĩ ũharĩrĩirio. Ribotera Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndũng'ũ.